everyone, now we are in the tiny home show in Australia today, and you can see today the tiny home show, this room is very popular, and I can show you what would be the HomePod today we are promoting. This is the GSP01 we are promoting today. This one is the 5.8 meters by 2.25 meters with the around 12 square meter, and this one is already equipped with the fully furnished inside with the bedroom and also the kitchen. Now I will show you how it will be. Now you can see this one would be the bedroom here, and also all the cabinet inside. You could open it on top to put in your stuff. And this one, the black one, would be our air conditioner. This is the AC the AC outlet. And also you can see the hydraulic on the bedroom, which means this bed could be pulled on top. So if you don't need it, then you can only just lift it up. Then this one, the bed would be fold up, and also there is the small table here, and there is the cabinet, and we can put the heater and also the dryer here, and also this is the cabinet with all the glass casing. Also, here would be our bathroom, and this bathroom would be already with the dry and wet division with this fold. And also this one is not slippery for the wet area, and also there is the lavatory, and then you can see this our light fitting. Then you must want to ask how to do the installation about the pot here. Then here would be the power on the back, and also all the water tube will be set up on the back also. When you receive the pot, you only need to plug it in. Then there will be all the lighting and all the stuff will be with the electricity and light it up.